Hello. WhatsApp can be a complete pain sometimes, especially when someone adds you to a group chat. But you don't leave the group because you don't know what message everyone else in the group gets. The new thing I'm trying to make your family happy is how to leave a WhatsApp group. We'll go through this together step by step and I'll show you exactly what happens when you leave a group. I'll just put the app up on screen now, and before we leave the group chat, if the group is just annoying you, you can turn off notifications for the group. Just click on the title of the group here at the top of the screen, scroll down to mute notifications and click on the toggle switch here, and you can choose how long to turn notifications off. To leave the WhatsApp group, first, go into the group you want to leave. Then, click on the title of the group at the top of the screen. That brings up this menu. Scroll down and at the bottom here, you can see the option to exit group. Click on this button and WhatsApp asks you to confirm that you want to leave the group. The group admin will be notified. So on the group admin's feed, they see this message, Daddy Mossy left. And when they open the group, they see Daddy Mossy left here in the group chat feed. The group's messages and pictures are all left in your WhatsApp feed, so you don't lose those. And there's a message at the bottom. You can't send messages to this group because you're no longer a member. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success. Congratulations! If you want to stop people being able to add you to any WhatsApp group, I made this video right here and it will block anyone adding you to a WhatsApp group. Say hi in the comments, it would be lovely to hear from you, and thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to run this channel.